In the days before the web, the world was full of secrets. Information did not propagate very well, and knowledge was hard to come by. When it did, it came by way of insights that did not translate very well. With time, things got a little bit better, but the improvements were slow, the gains made few and far between. From a certain perspective, our journey from the caves to the moon has been by way of information. Its gathering, sharing and transmission through a variety of means has determined the rate of progress through the birth and spread of ideas. In the age of information, value is frequently defined by what we know and when we know it. Information indeed does want to be free, but it also wants to be expensive. The right piece of information at the right time to the right person can be invaluable. This is where search comes in. The web is a vast network of interconnected devices and people, all generating massive amounts of data on a daily basis. None of it would be of any use if we did not have the means to sort through it, classify it, and then organize it in a way that allows us to go from the proverbial haystack to a highly structured repository of global knowledge. The transition from one to the other is possible only through search. By joining all the dots across the web of information, search helps make sense of it through the twin vectors of context and personalization. Strictly speaking, information is at its most valuable when it is relevant to what we're interested in and of direct bearing to whatever problem or question we're trying to solve at the particular moment we need it. Semantic search is the first step towards a new way of sorting through the information of the web and then serving it to us when we need it most. To do this, Google's search engine takes into account our personal history, our search patterns, our search queries, the successful results that have been served in similar search queries across the web, the meaning of the words of our search query, the intent behind our search query, the meaning of the content of web pages that have been indexed, our location for mobile searches, our social connections, our social engagement history, our interactions outside social networks. All this becomes a filter through which we get two simple things: context and relevance. This simple fact changes everything. By making us responsible and accountable for our online activities, search now becomes the means through which we develop our reputation and even develop a trust score. This means that search now plays a central role when we want to find jobs, learn new things, discover places and people, perhaps even find a partner. Information equals knowledge, and knowledge equals power. Search drives our development. Search shapes our world.